If you are a school or district that uses CK12, but also uses Schoology or Canvas, we recommend that you use CK12 within those platforms through our integrations that are set up with them. To get started, scroll to the bottom of CK12 and click on the Tools and Apps link down at the bottom. From here, you'll see information by clicking on the CK12 on Schoology link, which will open up the general info page for Schoology or the matching one for Canvas. Here you'll see information on how things work, help desk articles, and even quick videos walking you through that process. If CK12 has not been set up within your app, then start by clicking on the Please fill out this form link to obtain a key or secret. When you click on that link, it will take you to our page to register your platform. Now, we do recommend that the person who has set up Canvas or Schoology for your whole school or district fills this out. They can put in their information and especially the URL of that particular LMS so that you have your school, Canvas, all the rest of that information included there. If you're a teacher using the free version and you aren't using a paid specific link for your system, then you are more than welcome to fill this out to obtain your key and secret. Once your admin person fills this out, make sure that they go to the matching email that they're going to get that says your email has been verified, and then they can click on the link to email their keys. Once they get that key and secret, they can set up CK12 within Canvas or Schoology for you, and you will be set to start using it for assignments and reports with your students.